Hey diamonds, it's your girl Eva Tarae, right back at you with yet another video. To our newbies, welcome, welcome, welcome. Thank you so much for joining the Diamond Fam Bam. Go ahead and click that subscribe button as well as the notification bell so that you will be notified as soon as I drop another video. Now today's video is going to be a little different than any other video that I have done. I am barefaced, as you can see. I had no plan at all to apply any makeup. I just wanted to bring you guys the Morphe and James Charles brush collection. Now I also got the palette as well, but I'm going to do that in a separate video because I want to do a look with that, and I didn't want this video to be super long, and I kind of wanted you guys to be able to pick and choose what you want to see. Do you want to see the brushes or do you want to see the palette? Blah 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 blah. So today we are going to go over this. I was so excited when I was made aware that James Charles and Morphe had collabed and that they were going to do brushes and a palette. I was like, yes, this is a perfect opportunity to buy these Morphe brushes. I'm going to hold off on any other brushes until I get a chance to purchase this. So I had to work the day, came out at 10:55. I was in the bathroom like I'm waiting to place my order before I even go back to the floor, and I was lucky enough to be able to be one of the ones who got the palette before it sold out. So congratulations to James Charles and to Morphe on this collab, and let's kind of get into this box. His description on here just says, "Hi sisters, James Charles here, and I welcome back to my brush collection. Brushes are any artist's tool to create a masterpiece. I curated this brush set with my favorite brushes that are vital to each step of the makeup routine, but also included duplicates of my most used eye brushes. This way you can have absolutely everything you need for a full collection, and you can focus on unleashing your inner artist, James Charles." So let's get this bad boy open. It says unleash your inner artist, which is going to be washed out because it's kind of like packaging. Look at this. Isn't this cute, guys? It has a cute little cup. It does have the Morphe on it, and then the James Charles. I love the way it feels. I'm definitely going to be taking this with me when I travel, just as a protective case so that my brushes don't get damaged. So loving that. It just opens up. It has two tabs on the sides, which is good to keep the brushes protected. It does have a Morphe sponge, a beauty blender in here. And honestly, guys, I didn't even know that Morphe made a beauty blender. It's only $7. I mean, that's a no-brainer, right? Let me check out this bad boy. I like it. So this is a beauty blender. Oh, I didn't even tell you the price of the brushes. So you get 34 brushes plus the cup, the container that it comes in, and the price was $149 for the collection. So let me put that to the side. This is what I'm happy for. This, the kit and caboodle. Let's get to that. Okay. Oh my god, it smells like paint or something. Alright, so what I opened first was, we received two of the M250. It's the detailed eyeliner brush, which I am super happy for these because I just bought a few of the Suva Beauty Hydra liners, and these are right up my alley. So this will help me make some gorgeous looks using that. So I am super excited about that. That is what that looks like. Again, that is the M250. So I'm going to pop that bad boy in there after I open this one too. And then we'll move on to the next one. Now, just a side note, does anybody wash their brushes before they use them? I mean, I usually don't. I don't really know if that's bad or not. I mean, I guess I should, but I usually don't. wash my brushes. I just go right into it. Alright, I got also 2 of the Precision Pencil Crease brushes, and the number is M431. And then you know what? I think I own a few of these already. Oh no, they're by Sigma. Okay, so here are my M431, and this is from Morphe. Yeah, I should definitely wash these. It's like powder or dust or something coming off of it. So yeah, we're gonna just wash that. So, love that. Then next I spy something that has 3 in it, so I'm definitely gonna go for that next. And this is the M433. And this is a blending brush. I already have 2 of these, so that's perfect. Now I have 5 of them, which is amaze balls. Wonderful blending brush. I love them. Love them, love them, love them. So we got 3 of those. I think this is the only brush that we got 3 of. Everything else came in 2s. Or it came, you know, singly. There was a few brushes that are singles as well. And then I received the Tapered Mini Blender brush. The number is M506. And give me a pair of scissors. I feel like I want to chop my finger off. It's so dull. Oh, this is nice. A nice tapered. Really get in that crease. I'm going to enjoy using this one, especially with some new looks that I'm going to be doing soon. So that is the M506. Next we have, oh, we do have another one that has 3 in it. A few actually, I was totally wrong. Okay, and this is the M441, the Pro Firm Blending Crease Brush. They smell like chemicals. So this is that. Kind of flimsy, just to kind of help you move around that product, which I like. Dense at the base. Yeah, can't wait to use those. And again, I got 3 of those. Next, I received the Mini Firm Blending Brush. The number is M456. Great for that crease area. I could probably use it under the lash line as well. Perfect. And again, I got 3 of those. Up next, we have the Firm Shadow Brush, which is M124. You can never have too many eyeshadow brushes to pack on the lid color. Never, ever, ever. So that's that. Feels amazing. Alright, next we have the Medium Chisel Fluff Brush. The number is M152, and I received 2 of these. They're short. I don't know how I feel about that. They're kind of short. That's what that looks like. Pop those babies in there. Scared it'll get bent. It's kind of short. Alright, and then I received the what was included, 2 of the M166, which is the oval eyeshadow brush. Let's open these babies. My garbage is like overfilling right now. Yeah, I can use this to cut creases, concealer. I'm definitely going to get some use out of this. And I got 2 of those. Up next, I got 1 of the angled nose contouring brush, which I was super, super excited to see that he included in this. Get up in there and get that nose popping. You know what I'm saying, girls? Yes, so I'm super excited for that. This is what it looks like up close. Alright, so next I also received the oval camouflage brush, which I guess you could use this for concealer as well. I tend to like the other one, the M166. My neighbors are really inconsiderate. Let's see. But yeah, this, you can use this for glitter, packing on glitter, using it to cut your crease, stuff like that. And this is the M224 brush. And I received 2 of those. Next we have the M501, which is the pointed blender brush. Oh, that's pretty. I'll probably use this one for highlight. Just because it's smaller, it has that. So I think I might end up using this for highlighter. But I'll play around with it. I'll let you guys know. And then I have the Angle Liner Spoolie Brush, which I love my spoolie brush. I have probably like 10 of these bad boys lying around. It's just your everyday spoolie, and then a side where you can, you know, apply your brow gel. So I won't stick that in there. Well, yeah, I'll do it. Next, I have the flat concealer brush, smudge out lines under the eye, etc., etc. Very nice, very soft. Again, that is the M410. Next, we have the Chubby Buffer Brush. Definitely can use this for a concealer. It's similar to my Sephora brush, which I like. One of those. Next we have the E48. This is definitely going to be used as probably like highlight contour type of brush. Look at that. Look at that. That is beautiful. It is so soft. Alright, one of those. Then I received the Morphe M439. Little fat chubby brush. Oh, that is going to blend in foundation beautifully. It is soft. Oh, that is nice. Again, that is the M439. Then we have the Deluxe Pointed Powder Brush, number M527. Nice. Oh, I give it to Morphe. Their brushes are always so super soft. So super soft. Oh my god. That's going to feel amazing. Next up we have the 405 M405 Contour Blush Brush. Perfect. Perfect size. Super soft. Definitely going to be one of my go-to. Alright, last but not least, we do have the E4, the angled contour brush. Oh, super soft. Again, just, oh my god. I'm in love. And guys, that was it for the brushes. For the price that I paid, the $149, getting the 34 brushes, the beauty blender with it, definitely worth it. If you can find it in your local Ulta, I think the collection was made available yesterday, which was Friday, in the local Sephora, Friday or Saturday in local Sephora. So if you can go out and grab these, you definitely need these brushes in your collection. They will definitely be a staple. I am going to let this box of goodies sink in, and then I'm gonna get started and do the video for the palette. So excitement overload today. If you have any questions, any comments, go ahead and leave them below. Diamonds, thank you so much for watching. And as always, until next time.